Ballard Power Systems Inc.'s TSE, BLDP, market cap touched $1.3 billion Canadian dollars last week, benefiting both individual investors who own 59% as well as institutions. The considerable ownership by individual investors in Ballard Power Systems indicates that they collectively have a greater say in management and business strategy. 34% of the business is held by the top 25 shareholders. Recent purchases by insiders. To get a sense of who is truly in control of Ballard Power Systems Inc., TSE, BLDP, it is important to understand the ownership structure of the business. We can see that individual investors own the lion's share in the company with 59% ownership. Put another way, the group faces the maximum upside potential, or downside risk. Following an 11% increase in the stock price last week, individual investors profited the most, but institutions who own 25% stock also stood to gain from the increase. In the chart below, we zoom in on the different ownership groups of Ballard Power Systems. See our latest analysis for Ballard Power Systems. Ownership breakdown. What does the institutional ownership tell us about Ballard Power Systems? Many institutions measure their performance against an index that approximates the local market. So they usually pay more attention to companies that are included in major indices. We can see that Ballard Power Systems does have institutional investors, and they hold a good portion of the company's stock. This suggests some credibility amongst professional investors. But we can't rely on that fact alone since institutions make bad investments sometimes, just like everyone does. If multiple institutions change their view on a stock at the same time, you could see the share price drop fast. It's therefore worth looking at Ballard Power Systems' earnings history below. Of course, the future is what really matters.